Hey everyone, I've got a product to share with you that I know you're going to love. Let's dive right in. First, the design is seriously impressive, stylish, modern, and attention-grabbing. But here's the best part, it's super affordable. I couldn't believe how much value it offers at this price. Plus, it's so versatile. Use it at home, at work, or gift it to someone. It's sure to impress in any setting. Check out the details in the description below. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing finds like this one.